Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to configure System Restore Space on your computer, then either read through this article on the Windows Club or simply watch this video. I'll guide you through the procedure. Click on the Start button, select Settings, go to System, scroll down to the About tab, click on System Protection on the list on the right hand side. In that System Protection tab, under Protection Settings, click on Configure. Then you can change the maximum usage, you can increase it, you can decrease it, however you want it, and then click on Apply and finally on Yes, and then on OK. Isn't this easy? But there's a catch. When you decrease the system restore space, then a few older system restore points may be sidelined, so please be careful of that. If you have any doubts, please go to the original article, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.